Okay, this is my 77 Grand Prix. Hasn't been driven in a spell, as you can see. This was the first car I ever had. Kinda sad to see it in this shape, but it's in a lot better shape overall than what I had feared. Just boxed in. It has a lot of sun damage, some water damage, but as far as right now, most of it is complete. There was a hole there. Gonna have to get it out, get it unboxed in. It was last tagged in 97, which makes it hasn't sat as long as I had thought it had. But I do believe it is ready to come out of retirement. So hopefully in the next day or two, we can get out here, get this unearthed, and move to the farm. Start getting it cleaned up and see what shape everything is in.